Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change on-screen keyboard theme in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. And here from the left panel we need to select personalization tab, and now we need to scroll down and find here something like text input, touch keyboard, voice typing, emoji and more, input method editor. So I open it, and now we need to click on the theme option to see more settings here. Before we will select any theme here, I recommend you to open touch keyboard tab, and here we can click open keyboard. Then changes will be visible. So for example, I can select the dark theme of the on-screen keyboard, then it will be changed to this one. I can select maybe this one theme or maybe this one theme. Everything depends on your preferences. And of course, if you want, you can set here a custom theme. So I click on this one plus button to do it. And then, for example, if I want to change the background color, I can click on this color. And for example, I select here red and I click done. If I want to save the changes, I need to close this keyboard and I can click save button. After that, if you will go back to touch keyboard settings and click on open keyboard, you will see that the color of the keyboard has been successfully changed to red. So in this way you can change the keyboard theme in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.